Hi, I hope you're doing great and thank you so much for watching this video. So right now I'm going to walk you through how to use this life optimization tracker. This tool is by the way designed to track our daily activities and ensure that our goals are made and that progress is being made, as well as help us identify any areas of improvement. It can be used to monitor physical activity, diet and nutrition, sleep, productivity, and even emotions. And of course, by tracking our activities on a daily basis, we could gain insight into our habits and make necessary changes to reach our goals. So let me show you now the different sections of this tool. So right here, we can expand or collapse the rows. This make our tracker more organized, look visually appealing. It also allows us to see a summary of the data from a wide range and can help us to compare different data sets. Now, right here is we have our goal. This is an input cell. You could set any goal you'd like to set for the month. And any cells with white background in this tracker are input cells, okay, just like our check boxes right here. And below our goal are the different activities and their corresponding points. Now, to set these different activities and to set their corresponding points, all we have to do is go to the settings. And in this section, you can add or remove activities and also set the pointing system. Any changes that you'll be making here will automatically reflect in our tracker. So if I add additional activity right here and set the corresponding point, that should reflect now in the tracker. And there you go. And right here, we have our daily points section, which calculates the total points earned on all the completed tasks daily. All right, and right below that is our daily percentage section. That provides a representation of how close you are to completing your daily goal. So it is calculated by taking the total daily points divided by the goal that you set. And right above right here is of course a column chart, which is a visual representation of your daily presentation goal that can help you identify trends and patterns in your daily activities. So if you have reached or if your percentage is below 50%, then that would be red. And if turn 50% and above, it will turn to yellow. And if you have reached at least 80% and above, it will turn to green. And if you have reached 100%, it will turn to dark green. And right here is our monthly percentage per activity data. We have the percentage and also the bar chart that displays your progress and completion rate of the corresponding rate within the month. And right here we have our monthly average section that could provide you an insight of the average daily percentage and points earned for the month. Next to it is our inspirational or motivational quotes section to add a bit of positivity and motivation to your day. This changes every day, but if you'd like to check more inspirational quotes, you can click this logo right here, and automatically that will generate new quotes. So now to start using the tracker, all we have to do is create a copy of this template and duplicate that. And then just rename the tab, let's say for the year 2023, and change this to the year 2023. And once done setting it up, you can now start using this tracker. Now we added a bit of conditional formatting right here. So as we can see in column 20 or row 29, the activity 20, we don't have anything. If you try to put a check in that row, automatically the checkbox will turn red. And don't worry, those will not be included into the calculation. Now, there might be a time that you like to update the activities and or the points that you have set, right? And just like what I told you earlier, any changes in the settings will automatically reflect in our tracker. And of course, that could affect the calculation made on the data from the previous month. If we go right here in the year 2022 for the month of November, right? As we can see right here, we have points set up for waking up early for 10 points. And right here, it shows that we're on 77%. So if I go to the settings and change this, right, to 5, then that data will change. So from 77, it went to 67%. So let's say today is already December, right? And if I make some changes, okay, to the activities or to the pointing system, then all the data that we have from the previous months will be affected. So to ensure the accuracy and the integrity of the data that were recorded for the previous months, I also created a function that will allow you, okay, to lock the data for a specific month. So first thing to do is to select, okay, the cell of that corresponding month. And then at the top, click on lock data, click on run. Now you just have to confirm, okay, your selection. So click on yes. Now, as we can see, we have that success message. So if I go back to our settings and try to make some changes again, okay, to this cell, if I go back to the year 2022 November, as we can see, that did not change, but that has changed right here for the month of December. So let me just go ahead and try it again. So if I change this to again 10, go back to the year 2022. So it has changed for the month of December 2022, but we were able to keep the data for the month of November 2022. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope you found this tracker helpful. And if you need help in setting this up, please don't hesitate to contact me anytime. All right, cheers.